Do you have gaps under your baseboards that are driving you crazy? We're going to show you a surefire way to solve that problem. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor. We're out at one of our projects today where we just installed about 1,000 feet of baseboard. And with any large project, even small projects, you're going to have spaces underneath your baseboards. We're going to show you a surefire way to solve that problem and make it look like that baseboard goes all the way to the floor. So without any further ado, let's hit it. So here's the situation we come across all the time. Gaps underneath the baseboards. No matter how level your floor is, it seems like when the short ends of the boards run into the baseboard, we always have space. So normally I leave it to the painters to handle. But today we're going to show you a way to make that look perfect. It's a trick that we do for some of our clients. Alright, so the first thing I like to do is I like to blue tape off the floor because it will get on your floor. And this is the cleanest and easiest way to do it without making a mess and protecting your floor and preventing a lot of unneeded cleanup. Well, here we go. We're going to let Joe show us how to do this properly. This will get you out of a lot of binds and you won't be able to tell which one went in first. Using a generous amount of caulking, enough to fill the gap and go into the base underneath of it. You gotta have some excess. Don't be cheap on this caulking. It's no fun to have to redo this, especially when you have the larger gaps. Then you want to take a wet rag and a wet spackle knife. Drag it perfectly flush to the base. Look at that, it looks perfectly flush. Looks like that base just continues on. Now there's a spot where you didn't quite put enough caulking and you can see the recess. He's applying a little extra there to complete the look. Remove any excess caulking on the baseboard. That's why if you wanted to tape it off, that'd save you that step, but it's not necessary. He just runs the knife the opposite direction. Let's take a look at a couple walls that were already done where the tape is pulled off. You don't want to leave the tape on for as long as it takes the caulking to dry. We had a 1/4 inch gap on this wall here. You see there's one little flaw right there, but hey, no one's perfect. Wow, gaps be gone, problem solved. Our baseboard looks built in. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to check out all of our other videos on flooring installation, baseboards, and much, much more. But please like, share, tell your friends and family, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor mount and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.